Thutha wa mĩĩrĩ 5 guthikurio kana ga kiumia gĩkĩ mũgũnda-inĩ wa kwa Binzaro kaunti-inĩ ya Kilifi, rĩu tũburi tũngĩ tũtatũ nĩ tũthikũrĩtio na mĩĩrĩ na ĩkarutwo. Nĩ ndeto ĩkĩrĩtwo mũkonde nĩ mũthuthuria wa mĩĩrĩ wa thirikari JOHANSEN ODUOR, ũrĩa ugĩte tũburi tũrĩa tũthikũrĩtio mĩĩrĩ ĩno nĩ ũndũ marekũwa ũratwarithio na mbere o kuma Shakahola.
We've managed to process about 3 graves today, which were scattered all over. And these graves, one of the graves has 2 bodies, so meaning that the total of bodies that today we exhumed were 4. This is in addition to what was done yesterday. Yesterday there were a number of graves which were exhumed. I think there were about 5 bodies which were exhumed yesterday.
Augete tũburi tũrĩa mathikũrĩtie gũkũ kwa Binzaro twenjetwo tu o hanini na mĩĩrĩ ĩno no mahĩndĩ tu titeria yathikũragio Shakahola ithaĩtwo na macuka.
What actually we are discovering right now is it's possible that they were burying these bodies in a hurry because the bodies are more shallow than what they were in Shakahola 1. Secondly, during the time that we are retrieving bodies in Shakahola 1, they were well enclosed in some sheets which were covering each body, but right now we are finding skeleton with no clothes there.
ODUOR augete mĩhang'o ya guthikuria igacokereria mwambĩrĩrio wa kiumia gĩũkĩte kũrĩa matanyĩte gũkanathikuria tũburi 18 tũrĩa mekũĩire twaya gũkorwo na mĩĩrĩ, nayo mĩĩrĩ ĩrĩa ĩthikũrĩtio nĩ twarĩtwo thibitarĩ-inĩ wa Malindi sub-county ĩgĩeterera ũthuthuria wa ithimi cia DNA.
The mode of operation has changed in that the bodies are being concealed in some bushy areas which are hard to reach, but with the experience of our investigators, we are able to see them. So any place where we go, we see a bush which can be disturbed. When we clear the place, we find some bodies there, which are in the grave. We are intending to continue this exercise from Monday up to the time we will be able to get other graves, because so far there was suspicion of about 27 graves.
ODUOR nĩ ahithũrĩtie harĩ mĩĩrĩ 419 ĩrĩa yathikũririo mũgũnda-inĩ wa Shakahola ndĩrĩ ya kũrĩkana kumana na thieya harĩ ithimi cia DNA, ona gũtuĩka mĩĩrĩ 37 nĩ kũrĩkanĩte na yetereire kũneanwo kũrĩ bamĩrĩ, akĩũria arĩa mangĩkorwo magĩcaria andũ ao morire metĩkĩre kũneana ithimi cia DNA kuona nĩcio irarehe thieya harĩ gũkũrana mĩĩrĩ mĩingĩ.
We intend to release those 37 to the relatives so that now we can be able to get space, even as we are trying to see what we can do with the other 419, the total of 419 which are there. So one thing that we are really calling out to the public, if you know that you have a relative which is missing and you suspect that it was part of that 419, because one of the reason why we are unable to process the DNA is a lack of reference sample of the relatives. Just come and you get your samples taken so that we can be able to match.
Gerifotera Kameme TV ni jetagwo Wagoi wa MIRI.